Hello all the barbecue lovers. Here is a series of healthiest kebabs to hit your grills this summer or winter. By the end of this video, you will learn how to make a perfect starter for parties in the easiest way. A very good lunchbox idea as well, both for kids and adults. Let's start this series with beetroot and beans kebabs today. 1 cup of boiled kidney beans. We put them in a food processor. You can just blend them in a blender also. Half a cup of boiled beetroots, I grated them. And half a cup of amaranth. This is a very healthy grain. This will bind our kebabs very well. And here I am adding very little green chilies. This is optional, you can just avoid them. Chopped coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, half a cup of grated processed cheese. I will mix them very well now. I have added half a cup of breadcrumbs more to this mixture, and again we take the mixture in this container like this. Now I put little bit of oil in my hand. We will put our kebabs on the skewers like this. We will not put too much of oil because otherwise the kebabs start leaving the stick and they fall apart. The cheese that we have put inside these kebabs will help them keep soft, and kids are just going to love this. Now these kebabs are going straight into the oven. Give them any shape you want for your kids' lunch. They appear like lollies to them. I'm putting these also into the oven in the same tray. They can also be grilled. Sometimes we don't have that much of time that we can bake it in the oven or grill them. So we can quickly put a pan on the gas and make these kebabs like this also, and when they are cooked from both the sides, we take them out in a plate. Now I have taken them out of the oven. See, they are dry and they are cooked nicely. Let them cool down. The kebabs for your kids are ready over here. They would love them when they open their lunch box. Here now the kebabs come out easily out of these skewers, and all the 3 kinds of kebabs are ready with us. It's a good idea just to sprinkle little chaat masala over it like this and serve them hot in a party. It's not only a treat for the vegetarians, even others can't resist these kebabs. One of the very refreshing salad which I think would go very well with these kebabs would be quinoa salad, the link of which is given in the suggested box above. So friends, I hope you like these kebabs. If you like them, please give it a thumbs up. For the next kebab in the series, you just need to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye bye.